Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the new cosmetics update on the Grow Garden update. I said update twice, but this is the cosmetics update, so this is how you can decorate your garden. I don't have a lot of money, so I'm not going to buy anything major, but to buy the items we're just going to go here. As you can see, there's now a new style called cosmetics. You do have to pay a lot of money for it, so be prepared. Just go here and then press E and talk. So, like these are like 88 million, yes, or like you can pay in Robux. Like this is also like 12. I mean, if I buy that, it's going to like cost a lot. This is just like 1 million. This is 800 thousand. Even rock pile is like 1 million, and it resets like every few hours. So here I'm just going to buy a log bench. And let's go back to the garden. That's just how you can purchase it. For like how you put it and stuff, I will put it in the next tutorial. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.